Hi guys, this is Nishitha and welcome back to my channel. I'm sure from the title it is pretty clear that today's video is going to be about summer skincare. Now summer is one of those seasons wherein your skin is exposed to a lot of pollution, sun of course, and a lot of dust, etc. So in today's video, I will show you guys all the tips and tricks that I follow to have healthy skin during summers. Let's begin. The two most common skin problems during summers that I've heard from people or I myself experience are pimples and skin tanning. So let's first talk about acne and pimples. So during summers, your skin is exposed to a lot of sun and hence you tend to sweat a lot. Every time you sweat, oils are secreted all over your face and that is what causes pimples. So it's really important to wash your face at least twice a day, not just in summers but in every other season. But during summers, you need to be extra careful with the kind of face wash that you use. Also, I recommend people to use products which have tea tree oil or at least aloe vera, because these two products have anti-inflammatory properties which helps calm your skin and prevent all those breakouts. So I've been using this face wash from Mama Earth, which is called the tea tree face wash. This has tea tree and neem. As I told you, tea tree has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties which helps prevent breakouts and also scars to an extent. And neem, as all of you would already be knowing, is an amazing thing when it comes to skincare. It has all those antibacterial properties which help keep all the pimples and those little tiny pimples that you get on the forehead and on your nose away. So I'm really loving this face wash. So this face wash has a really clear texture and this is pH balanced and also free from all kinds of SLS and parabens. So if you're looking for an affordable face wash, because this is priced only at ₹250, and if you have really sensitive skin which tends to break out especially during summers, then I would totally suggest this one. Apart from using good products onto your skin, it is also really important to pamper your skin. So I usually pamper my skin with this pack that I've been following from childhood. So this has besan and I'm going to add some curd into it and make it into a thick paste and apply it onto my face. The next most common problem during summers is skin tanning. Now, if you step out of your house without using sun protection, then obviously your skin is going to get tanned. But I'm sure there are certain circumstances where we forget to use sun protection. And for those days, I have some hacks ready for you guys. The first hack is tomatoes. Now, I've been using this hack right from my school days, wherein I used to come home and my mom used to apply some tomato juice onto my face. So all that you have to do is take a slice of tomato and rub it onto your skin for like good 10 to 12 minutes. Leave it on for another 10 minutes and wash off your face with cold water and you're good to go. For best results, you need to repeat this step twice or thrice a week. Another tip that I sometimes follow for my face and my entire body is to rub it with some potatoes or grated potato juice. Now it's very easy to use this onto your face. It glides on really well. So yeah, I sometimes follow this as well. And again, you'll have to follow this quite regularly to see best results. Also, exfoliation is really important during summers because that helps you get rid of all the tan and excess dirt that's stuck onto your face. So for exfoliation, what I do is in a bowl, I take like a tablespoon of oats and mix it with some curd and make it into a thick paste. So this is how it looks after it is done. I exfoliate my face using this one for like good 5 to 7 minutes. And then I wash it off with cold water. To get rid of all the tan, I've also been using one product. So this is the Mama Earth's Upton face wash. Now this is perfect to remove all the tan that's been sitting on your skin. Now this has turmeric as well as saffron. Turmeric, as all of you know, has lightening properties and so does saffron. So after you wash your face with this one, it leaves you with some really bright and fresh looking skin. Now this has a very grainy texture. So this is also good with exfoliation and it smells amazing. So that marks the end of today's video. I hope you guys found this helpful, and also if you happen to try out these hacks or these products, do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to read your comments and know what you guys feel about these products as well. I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because a lot of fun videos are coming up your way. Bye.